Hi guys, today we will see how to check if a file is safe to download. As a first step, we will go to VirusTotal in Google. As we can see, we have three options: File, URL, and Search. In the case of File, we simply load the file here. As we can see, the file is clean of threats, and the page even tells us the file, type, size, etc. If we scroll down, we can see the analysis. Well, now, in case we don't want to risk downloading anything, we simply go to URL and open another tab to search for the file we want to download. Copy the download link and paste it into the scan. As we can see, this file is also clean of malware. Then for search, we simply search the web. If you found the video useful, I would appreciate a like and a subscription. Thank you very much. See you.